Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix 100% disk usage in your Windows 10. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing 100% disk usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on this search option, then type here services .msc. You can see here services, click on the services. In this you need to find sysmain. Just press S key and scroll down. You can see here sysmain. Right click on that, click on stop, then click on start. Right click again, double click on that. You can see here startup type, it is automatic. You just need to disable this option. Click on apply and click OK. After that you need to find connected device platform service. You can see here connected devices platform service. Right click, stop, and right click and start once again. Double click on that, then you can see a startup type. You just need to disable this one. Click on apply, then click OK and close this window. After that you just need to restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix 100% disk usage on your Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.